Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I got this look which you can easily follow during Diwali. This is the look I'm gonna do on Diwali. Technically today is not Diwali, but I have to film videos in advance, and I will leave all the details of my jewelry and outfit in the description box below in case you're interested, because this is going to be my outfit for Diwali. So if you want to know how I got this look, then please keep on watching. Let me first start by priming my face. I've already applied sunscreen in the morning and I'm using my favorite Smashbox Primerizer. It makes your skin look really juicy and plump. Don't mind me looking that side because the viewfinder is over there and I'm using it as my mirror. Actually, I've got a mirror also. This chotu sa mirror I've got. Can you see the glow it added? I really love it. My skin has been acting up lately, so you will see a lot of pimples and spots. Most probably because of the pillowcase which I didn't wash since a long time. For Diwali, we want our makeup to last long, of course. I'm using this primer as well. It will just fill in the pores and create a smooth base which will make your makeup look a little bit extra nice, and also primer will help to make your makeup last. I usually skip these primers, but I use them for like special occasions. For foundation, I'm mixing foundations as usual. First is the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I absolutely love this foundation, but this is little bit dark for me. It matches me when I'm tanned. This is in the shade Warm Beige. Okay. Mixing the Faces Canada Weightless Matte Finish Foundation in the shade 3. It just looks a little bit grey. I would like it to be slightly darker. That's why I mix both these foundations, and the mixture just gives me the perfect color shade. I always love to mix foundations and to mix it on the back of my hand. A lot of people use that steel stuff, to mix it. I just use my hands. I'm just first focusing on this side where I have a lot of spots, as you saw. The mixture of these two just matches my skin perfectly. Do I look like a ghost in the viewfinder? It's okay, we'll balance it out by adding bronzer. This is quite full coverage. Both the foundations give nice coverage to me. I didn't apply anything under my eyes because I'll be applying the concealer there, and even the concealer is quite full coverage, so don't require extra. For the concealer, again I'm using the Too Faced concealer and I just applied 2 dots of it. Little bit goes a long way for this concealer. For powder, I'm using my Mercier powder as usual. I also apply a little bit powder on the sides of my nose because that's where I get oily and sweaty sometimes. For the bronzer, I'm using this Too Faced bronzer. This is their chocolate matte bronzer. It smells like chocolate. It also tastes like chocolate. Now don't ask me why I know the taste of it, because I'll tell you without you having to ask. When I apply it na, thoda sa powder wo mere muँह में जाता है and it tastes very sweet. Literally tastes like chocolate powder with sugar. And I love the shade of this. I love to use it as my bronzer. I'm applying it on the sides of my face like this. Also on my jawline, just to balance out that foundation shade because it was making me look like a ghost. And I like to pinch my brush to contour my nose as well. The eyebrows, I'm using the Sugar Arch Arrival Micro Brow Pencil. I just fill in the gaps. Using a brow mascara too. For blush, I'm using my go-to blush, which is either K-Beauty or MAC. These days, I'm really gravitating towards K-Beauty blush, and you can see I've hit pan. It rarely happens because I have so much makeup, I'm not able to finish it, and I don't even wear makeup on a daily basis. I wear makeup like once a week for videos. This is very pigmented, so a little bit goes a long way. I've put so much blush, and in real life I'm kind of looking like a clown, but still the camera is not picking it up. It's okay. For the eyeshadow, I'll show you my go-to glam look, okay? This is what I do on most days when I have to make it slightly glam. I use the Huda Beauty palette always, the Rose Gold Remastered. This is my all-time favorite palette. I don't think I can ever let it go. I use this shade called Sandalwood over here, and I apply it all over my crease. I also applied under my eyes. Then I take this darker shade henna and I mix a little bit of cocoa in it. I just mix these two shades and apply on my outer corner just to add some depth. The same look I have been doing since so many years. Never get bored of it. And I stopped experimenting also with new looks. Let me know if you miss my makeup tutorials. You know, back in the day I used to do different kind of eye looks and that was the niche of my channel. I used to do only makeup looks. And for my inner third, to add some shine, I use this shade from the Huda Beauty New Nude palette. This is the only shade I use from this palette. I'm not a fan of these mauve tones. I prefer warm tones. I had made a short also on it why I regret buying this palette. It was so expensive, you guys. I just bought it because it's pretty. This shade Crave is really nice. To make this shade pop even more, I sometimes apply concealer underneath. This shade, okay? This is actually a concealer. It's called Concealed. So I applied underneath just to make it pop more. But today I skipped it. I forgot about it. This is my all-time favorite Glam. And I get many requests also to do a video on this. I'm sure I've made a video on this look since I do it so many times. But still, here you go. And I also applied in my inner corner because my makeup is incomplete without some inner corner highlight. I want it to be slightly lighter, so I'm using this shade called as Moon Dust from the Rose Gold Remastered palette. And I'm applying it in my inner corner. This shade is perfect for inner corner highlight. And I'm slightly extending it till here. I'm skipping mascara of course because I have lash extensions, but I'm using some mascara on my lower lashes. I got some mascara on my nose, setting my face with the all-nighter setting spray by Urban Decay. This really makes your makeup last really long. I'm gonna spray a lot because we want our makeup to last the entire day. Today is technically not Diwali, the day I'm filming it, but I'm going out for dinner tonight and it's like 12 noon right now. I have 6-7 hours more to go, so I want my makeup to stay till that time. I sprayed a lot. Just gonna let it dry. Till it's drying, let me apply some lipstick. This is the lipstick I received recently and everyone on my Instagram loved this lip shade. This is Summerina Brown. I have like 8 shades from this range. This is by Love Earth. All of the shades are stunning, but this is my favorite. This is like the perfect peachy brownish nude, like my kind of nude. I have one more lipstick recommendation for you. That is the Maybelline Superstay Ink Liquid Lipstick. If you love liquid lipsticks, if you want your lipstick to not move at all, even if you have sweets, even if you touch your mouth, that lipstick is not moving, so you can go for that. But if you don't like liquid lipsticks, then you can go for the crayon version also. They have a crayon version in the ink, Superstay Ink. But this one is also a really great option if you like comfortable crayon formulas, because this one stays for a really long time, similar to a liquid lipstick, and this is also transfer proof by the way. Usually crayons are not that transfer proof, but this is really transfer proof. You have to let it dry for some time and then it's really long lasting. Love Earth lipstick shades are really nice, you know. They suit all Indian skin tones. They have a really nice shade range. And for the first time in my life, I'm not gonna mix any other shades in it. I usually mix a million shades, but today I think I am happy with this look. And now that the setting spray has dried, I'm going to use some highlighter. Using the Mars Brick Highlighter. This highlighter is stunning, you guys. I don't know what Mars does, but all of their makeup is so top notch, even after being so affordable. Really good quality. If you're looking for good affordable quality ka makeup, go for Mars. I'm just gonna use all the shades and apply on the highest points of my cheeks. You can use it as a blush topper also. If you like shiny blush, you can apply it on top of your blush a little bit. If you don't have a lot of texture there, of course. This highlighter is stunning. Stunning, stunning, stunning. And these days I've got a habit of just applying little bit powder over here because this part looks very shiny for me. You can use a compact for this. I used to like it shiny before, but now I kind of like it matte because it gets shiny in a while anyway. Let me apply some bindi jewelry and let me get ready and show you my Diwali look, because this is what I'm gonna do on Diwali. My outfit is also ready, so yeah. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you liked my Diwali look. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every week and I will see you in my next video. Bye!